Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in banking tech to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to use Wells Fargo mobile check deposit, easy and fast for 2025. If you're a Wells Fargo customer tired of long lines at the bank, this feature is a game changer. It's quick, secure, and perfect for depositing checks right from your smartphone. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have the Wells Fargo mobile app installed on your phone. If you don't, head to your app store and download it for free. Once that's done, log in with your username and password. Remember, for security, always use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Now, let's get to the fun part. Open the app and navigate to the Deposit section. It's usually right on the home screen or under a menu like Accounts or Services. Once you're there, select Mobile Check Deposit. The app will prompt you to take photos of your check. Make sure the check is endorsed on the back. Sign your name and write, "For mobile deposit only," and place it on a flat, well-lit surface. Snap a clear photo of the front and back of the check. The app uses smart technology to detect the edges, so align it properly for the best results. After that, review the details like the amount and account number. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. Hit Submit, and you're done. Your deposit will process quickly, often within minutes. One quick tip. If you run into issues, like the app not recognizing the check, try cleaning the camera lens or ensuring better lighting. Also, keep an eye on your account for confirmation. This feature saves time and reduces the risk of losing checks in the mail. There you have it. Depositing checks has never been simpler. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay tuned for our next video, and thanks for watching.